Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Grab your seasoning and your vibes. It's time for some authentic Jamaican flavor. Guys, we're going to be making brown stew fish. And when I go to the market to pick my fish, I try to make sure that the eye is nice and clear and it's not cloudy. And they don't really clean the fish very well, so I make sure that I remove those fins, remove that backbone, and I brush up the head part of it and the tail. That's the part that they mainly do not scale, or they leave some kind of scale on them. So just re-clean your fish nice to make sure all the scales are removed. I put some slits in the side, and that helps with the marinating process, making sure that when you're seasoning them, you get the seasoning into those slits that you make on the side. And you clean that white stuff that's in the middle, get rid of all of that. So I wash my fish with some lemon juice and some vinegar, and I'm just rinsing them nicely before I put my seasoning on them. Now that our fish is nicely washed and clean, let's pat dry them. So we pat drying them so when you go to fry them, the water is not popping while it's frying in the oil and burn you. So we're gonna pat dry these, and then we're gonna add our seasoning. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. And for our seasoning, we're using some grace fish seasoning, some all-purpose seasoning, black pepper, and a little bit of onion powder and garlic powder. So we're gonna mix that thoroughly, making sure that all our seasoning is combined. Let's season our fish. Don't forget to add some seasoning in those slices that you made in the side of the fish, in the center of your fish, and on the outside. So we're gonna season our fish nicely, not to put too much seasoning on it because you don't want your fish to be salty. And let's get into that center and in the head, making sure that we're and it's a very nice day outside today, guys, and we're going to be outside frying up these fishes and making our brown stew. And I might just eat my dinner right here on this back patio today. It's very nice out here. The breeze is nice and cool. The birds are chirping. It's just that nice feeling that you get to be outside, just hearing the sounds and everything, different sounds and everything from outside. So after seasoning the fish, I'm going to cover it, and I'm gonna put my container in my refrigerator for a couple hours and let my fish marinate a bit before I start frying them up. And if you watch my past videos, you know that I like to season my meat and marinate them a day or a couple hours before I cook them. So let's cover these and rest them in our refrigerator. Yes, guys, we are outside. Bring your appetite. It's time for some Jamaican cooking. Fried fish, brown stew fish, Sunday dinner. Let's go. And I have my cast iron pot on my stove with some oil, a couple pieces of garlic, and a Scotch bonnet pepper, ready for my fish. And we're just gonna check to make sure that the oil is hot enough for the fish to go in. We don't want it to be too hot because we don't want our fish to start burning on the outside and the inside is not done. And the smell from the Scotch bonnet pepper is, I love that smell. The flavor that Scotch bonnet pepper gives. Love it, love it, love it. And we're gonna let these brown, and then we're gonna flip them over and let them brown on the other side. All right, so let's flip our fish. And these are browning very, very nicely. Get rid of my pepper, it's burning. Yes, this smells so good right now. Okay guys, so our fish is ready. Let's remove them from the oil. Guys, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe for more Jamaican recipe straight from my kitchen to yours. Hit that notification bell so you never miss a bite. Perfect. Yes. We're going to remove our frying pan, and then we're going to add my Dutch pot with my oil. and a little bit of butter to make our brown stew sauce. And guys, I make my brown stew fish totally different from the traditional way, and this is my version of how I make brown stew fish, and I hope you guys like it and enjoy my video. And this is my seasoning. I have some onions, sweet pepper, green and red, scallion, thyme, some tomato, and a clove of garlic. And we're going to saute our vegetable. I'm not going to let them cook too soft because I still want that nice little crunch to them. Now we're going to add some water to complete our gravy. Give it a little taste test to make sure if I need to add some more seasoning, and yes, we need to add a little bit more seasoning, so we're going to go ahead and add some more of that mixed seasoning. Okay, perfect. We're going to let this reduce a little bit more. Now I'm going to pour the gravy over my fish. Again, guys, this is the way I make my brown stew fish. I don't put my fish in the pot and let it stew down because I don't like when it's mushy on soft. I like when it still have that nice dense texture. So I pour my sauce over my fish and then I cover it and let it sit in the sauce. Again, this is my version of the brown stew fish. Try it. Let me know if you like it, and voila, that is how I make my brown stew fish. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and again, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace.